Wow, 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 wow. The story of our hen with its 5 chicks. The 5 chicks have grown up into these beautiful birds. We have now 3 cocks and 2 hens. And the mother hen again has now again produced more chicks. This time it has produced 8 chicks. Now we are waiting to see how they will also progress. I'm also waiting on these 5 ones to see when they start also their laying cycle. Interesting. This is the 3rd month. We will see by the end of the year how it will have progressed. Keep watching, keep following. Let's see what one hen can give us in 1 year.